How long does it take to reset an air conditioning unit?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to tackle an essential maintenance task for your home: how to reset your air conditioning unit. There may be times when your AC unit isn't working as expected, and a simple reset can often solve the issue. So, let's dive in.
Why might you need to reset your AC unit?
Firstly, it's important to understand why you might need to reset your air conditioning unit. Your AC unit may need resetting if it's not starting properly, not cooling efficiently, or if it's simply been a while since you last performed any maintenance tasks. The good news is, the resetting process is typically quick and straightforward, usually taking about 5 to 10 minutes.
How to locate the reset button?
Before we start, it's crucial to know where the reset button is located. Most of the time, you'll find the reset button on the outdoor compressor unit. It's typically a red or yellow button, but this may vary depending on the model of your AC unit. Remember to ensure the AC unit is turned off before you begin to avoid any accidents.
Steps to reset your AC unit.
Now, let's get into the step-by-step process to reset your AC unit. 1. Turn off your AC unit. You can do this at the thermostat. 2. Find the breaker box. It's usually in the basement or garage. Once you've found it, turn off the breaker for your AC unit. 3. Wait, give it about 30 minutes. This gives the system time to reset itself. 4. Turn the AC breaker back on. Go back to your breaker box and turn the AC unit's breaker back on. 5. Turn your AC unit back on at the thermostat. Check if it's working correctly. If it is, then you've successfully reset your AC unit. If you still experience issues after resetting, it's time to call a professional. Don't attempt to fix complex AC issues on your own, as this can lead to more serious problems and potential safety hazards. And there you have it. Resetting your air conditioning unit is a quick and simple task that can solve minor issues and improve the performance of your unit. Remember, while resetting is a good first step in troubleshooting, some problems may require professional attention. If in doubt, always consult with a qualified HVAC technician. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay cool and see you in the next one.